In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your followers list on Instagram without installing any third-party application. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, you need to open Instagram application. At the top right corner, you will see these three horizontal lines. So click on it, go to settings, and then go to account. Select contact syncing and make sure that this connect contacts option is disabled. After that, go back. Now go to privacy. First of all, make sure that this private account option is enabled. After that, click on this activity status option and then disable this show activity status option. After that, go back, scroll down and click on this restricted accounts option. Now here all you have to do is to type the username of the person from whom you want to hide your followers or following list. And that's it. In this way you can hide your followers list on Instagram. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.